Welcome to our channel. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, sweetheart. Did you sleep well?
Yeah, I did. How about you?
I had to wake up early. I have a lot of work to do. Busy day ahead. Don't forget to grab breakfast before you leave for school.
Thanks, Mom. I'll make sure to grab something quick. Mom, I am leaving for school.
Take care, honey. See you soon, honey.
Mom, I am home.
Welcome back. How was your day?
It was good, Mom. Just the usual school stuff. I had a test in math, and I think it went okay.
That's great to hear. I hope you have been keeping up with your studies. Anything interesting happening with your friends?
Yeah, Jenny invited me to a party at her place this Friday. Jenny is hosting it at her place. Can I go, Mom?
What time does it start and end?
It starts at 7 p.m. and should end around 11 p.m. I will make sure to be back on time.
Who else is going to be there, and will there be adult supervision? Is her house a safe and supervised environment?
Just a small gathering with our close friends, and Jenny's parents will be there. I promise to stay safe.
All right, sounds good.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and don't miss to press the bell icon.